Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to help our 2017 Raptor to breathe more and look better under the hood. The factory intake on the F-150 Raptor is quiet, ugly, and restrictive, so today we're going to get rid of it for this killer-looking aFe Cold Air Intake. This is aFe's limited edition Magnum Force Pro 5R Stage 2 Cold Air Intake for the 2017-18 F-150 Raptor. This intake is designed to be an easy direct fit replacement for the factory intake that flows 67% better with its mandrel bent 3.5-inch aluminum tubing and high flow air filters that are pre-oiled that get protected by an aluminum heat shield. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 7mm socket, 8mm socket, an extension, 1/4-inch ratchet, and a 5/32 hex key. Installing this intake is pretty simple. What we have to do is remove this Y pipe section here. There's 2 clamps that hold it on, one down here and one up here. Loosen the 7mm hose clamp. The one down here is very difficult to see. It's on the back side of the pipe. You'll need a small extension to get to it. Remove these 2 clips. And then there's a sensor on the back that we have to unplug. We can remove the factory air filter and replace it with our new heat shield. Set it on the air box and secure it with the factory latches. This PCV hose on the driver's side inlet pipe right near the turbo needs to be removed. Press on this gray tab right here and pull it off. Take the provided tube insert and make sure that the opening at the bottom of the insert is facing the turbo. And install it along with the PCV hose. Install the aFe filters into the heat shield. They'll pop into place. Remove your intake sensor from the factory intake and install it into the aFe pipe. Then install the pipe. Connect this pipe to the factory intake with the provided 90-degree coupler. Install the other pipe with the coupler. Get it into the filter. Then you're going to connect the 2 pipes with this coupler. Tighten these 2 clamps, and then you can do the rest. And the last thing, if you want to, you can install the cover. Once you get the last bolt tight, your installation's finished. Okay, so we got our aFe Cold Air Intake installed on our 2017 Raptor. The brushed aluminum definitely gives it a nice custom look under the hood, and it's going to help it to breathe a whole lot better. Install isn't really too bad. It should only take you about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.